Alright, I'm gonna head to Florida to meet up with Alberto, Big Boost, and I'm gonna take the truck
I woke up like this.
To hit up Cletus and Cars. I already got a drag pass, maybe do burnouts, we'll see, depending on how much time I have. The main thing to do there is take apart Alberto's engine and bring it back, port it, build it, and ship it back to him for his FC build. Let's head out. We've been in Georgia for a little while now. Longer trip than I thought, but I'm gonna go take a little pee break. So along the way here, like, I saw the turbo was spinning, so I put this on it so it, you know, wouldn't mess up the bearings on the turbo. You know, it's not getting lubricated with oil, so you don't want it spin. Just got to an MLC shop with Alberto. Got the Repu. I'm gonna help him get the engine in the 370C, and then we're gonna take apart Alberto's engine.
Man, I can't believe this day is actually happening. Like, I've been waiting for this for the longest time, and then I had to fix this thing all day, and now it's finally midnight, yet we're still gonna take apart this thing.
Yep. So it's Rotary time.
Finally, yes, time to make this thing grand.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Is it like in good shape-ish?
So just from looking at it, I already saw that we have the strong rear plate with the reinforcement. So this is the strongest plate you can get for a T2 engine right here. So that already is a
It
plus.
makes me so excited. I actually have like the good FC engine. I'm gonna have to hold back on power, or it's gonna break or whatever.
Yep.
That makes me a lot more confident about this build now.
So we're gonna send all the power. I'm gonna send Big Boost at it.
I already have a big turbo for it too. I want to put a GTX 3584R in it, and then I need your magic to make it sound like how it should sound. Pretty much, yeah, like that.
This is gonna be the next Rotary swap.
So you thought the vehicle was annoying with that M4? I'm gonna get even more annoying.
No, but these sound good. Those things just sound like vacuum cleaners.
Hey,
What?
does sound like vacuum cleaner?
No, this
oh,
sounds
I was about to say.
Straight pipe M3, M4.
Like, how dare you insult me?
Horrible. You should have heard it earlier.
Well, you're a beefier one. I did it like this. Like socket. But this one's like too small. Boom. See?
Shit.
Yep.
I wasn't leaking oil, good.
Yeah, so it's a good car. Asshole.
Alright, that's it.
You're gonna open it. I was like,
I'm about to open it right now, so I'm gonna wait. Alright, so I got all the tension bolts out. The front is off. So the only thing left is to pull the plates off and see what the damage is.
this is the moment everybody's been waiting for.
So we're gonna see. We know it's hurt. We just gotta see what it hurt. So just start with this plate right here. Pull it straight up. There's gonna be some seal stuck on it. This is the part I was talking about. This is what cracks, but you see the size of this one?
Yeah.
Almost the same size as an FD plate.
Okay.
FD plates take up to like 30 pounds of boost without pinning,
Nice.
just because they have this in reinforced. So this is a really
Yeah.
good plate. So everything seems to be working on our favor with it. This right here is corner seals, side seals, and then the apex seals are these that go across the rotor.
Uh-huh.
So right off the bat, you know, the corner seals, they don't have any spring on them. They're supposed to push in and come out. You
So
see
it's
how
stuck.
flat they are?
Yeah.
So you see the side seals, they spring in and out,
Uh-huh.
but the corner seals are not. They're stuck right now. So these are the dowel pins. You can get solid ones of these.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we're gonna get a solid one, and this is the oil passage. They're hollow because
Uh-huh.
from one plate it feeds to the rear one
Yeah.
through the inside of this. Right off the bat, the housings are perfect. Really good condition, super low mile. You know, they have no corner wear, no scratches, no nothing. So now we're just gonna pull the housing off, and you'll be able to see the apex seals on it. Get this.
Silicone still holding it together.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
there's
it's got a little nick right there. And
Oh.
that's your problem. See the apex
Oh.
seal? It's broken.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta focus on this. Focus camera. So it looks like I have a broken apex seal after all. So that's where I was misfiring on one cylinder then, or
Yep.
one
rotor. So it's probably got the same thing on the front one. But like I told you, like, you know, usually stuff happens in the rear because of that hot
Uh-huh.
coolant passage. It could have been over boosting and it had a fuel cut on the back.
Yeah.
The fuel cut only happens on the rear rotor, so it leans it out, and stuff like this can happen.
Yeah, that sucks.
So the damage is not that bad.
So this is salvageable?
Yeah. So this is fixable.
Okay.
We just gotta get it resurfaced. Given that the rest of it is fine.
Yeah.
What matters is here, the compression side of it
Uh-huh.
is what matters. Over here, not so much. You know, nothing really happens on this side.
Yeah.
You know, exhaust happens over here, and then after it empties out, it's just a dead spot before it starts doing intake and compression up here.
Yeah.
So this part of the rotor is an important one. This is not. So even though it's got that little bit of right there, I can get them resurfaced and bring this back.
Oh, that's good to hear.
The rotor is not damaged at all.
Yeah, the apex seal came out fine. It's not
Yeah.
stuck, right?
No, it came off. So you see, it's got that little nick right here.
Uh-huh.
But with a file, we can file that down, knock it down. Or if you decide to do different types of rotors, like RX-8 rotors, high compression stuff,
Yeah.
you know, we don't use it, but it's not damaged to where it destroyed everything. You know, obviously the car ran.
What about like clearance in the rotors? You do like the clearance on like
Yeah.
on the edges when
On
you
the
take it
side,
off anyways?
right here,
Yeah.
and on the edges. So, you know, you have the chip apex seal, you got collapsed springs on the corner seals.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot going on with it. Alright, so we only had a chipped apex seal, so it's not a big deal. Other than that, everything's fixable, so we can get started on this build. So as you can see, the apex seal chipped. And other than that, that's it. So we're gonna go from stock port. That's you. And this is the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Alberto.